Hey everyone, today I'd like to briefly talk about custom number formatting of phone numbers in Microsoft Excel. Custom number formatting can be used in many different ways, but for our example of phone numbers, it would be used in, say for example, you have a sheet and people are supposed to input their phone numbers onto the sheet, and they'll do it like this. Say the person's phone number is 555 1234 567. That's their phone number. And it appears like this. It just looks like a 10-digit number, but you want it to look like this with the area code in the parentheses 555, a space, and then 123, a dash, 4567. You want it to look like that, how you're used to seeing a phone number properly formatted. So there is a way where you can create a custom number format so that anytime someone inputs a 10-digit number like this, it will display a result like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this cell where we have our 10-digit number, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into this section right here where you can change the number formats. There's currency and percentage, comma styles, and the decimal places. We're going to click on this number format drop down arrow. After that, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on More Number Formats. Then on the left, we're going to click Custom, and here there's so many different options you can choose, and we're just going to type in our custom format. So what we want to do is open our parentheses and type in hashtag, 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 and close our parentheses. This is where the area code will go. Then we want to create a space, and we'll do our first three numbers, hashtag, 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 and then a dash for the last four digits of the phone number. Hashtag, 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 hashtag. And then right above here where it says sample, that's how the phone number will look under this custom number format. So we'll hit OK. And you see the phone number changed from our just 10-digit normal thing to 10 digits in our correct format. Now what you can do is paste the format down the line to make it universal across the entire sheet. So let's highlight a range of 10 cells, and then the format will go back to where we just found it. Click on custom, and then go to the format we just had. We'll type it in again real quick, and then we'll hit enter or click OK, and now it should be the format for all these cells. So let's type in another random phone number, say 999-123-4567, then we click off and it will be the proper format. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple process to create this phone number custom number format, but if you don't know how to do it, it can be tricky. So now that you know, I hope this will help you on your spreadsheet where you can properly format your phone numbers. Again, if you learned something from this video, please give it a like and comment if you have any questions as well. And as always, it would be much appreciated if you subscribed. Thank you.